AC to pure inductor. So this is the circuit. Current I is flowing through inductor L. This is instantaneous voltage, so V is equals to Vm sin omega t. According to Kirchhoff voltage law, V is equals to VL. VL is equals to L di by dt. That is differentiation of I. Now VL is equals to minus L di by dt. This is equals to V according to Kirchhoff voltage law. So this is the instantaneous voltage. That's why Vm sin omega t is equals to minus L di by dt. By integrating both the sides, what we get is Vm by omega L. This L is from here. And integration of sin omega t is minus cos omega t is equals to minus I. So Im cos omega t is equals to minus I. So Im sin 90 minus omega t is equals to minus I. And that's why I is equals to Im sin omega t minus 90 degree. This minus sign comes over here and the angle will get changed. Now power is equals to instantaneous voltage into instantaneous current. So Vm sin omega t into Im sin omega t minus pi by 2, that is 90 degree. That we got from here, and minus Vm Im sin omega t into cos omega t, we get Vm Im by 2 sin 2 omega t. Now for P average, we need to integrate this equation over a full cycle, and by integrating over a full cycle, we get 0.